Imam Ghazali, a renowned Muslim scholar, is celebrated for his profound wisdom and insightful teachings. His timeless quotes continue to inspire and guide Muslims worldwide, offering valuable lessons on various aspects of life. In this video, we will share 20 timeless quotes by Imam Ghazali that will awaken your soul. So let's embark on this enlightening journey and explore the profound words of Imam Ghazali. 1. The whole point of life is to live it, to experience it, to enjoy it, to the utmost. 2. A good character is the best crown of all. 3. The key to success in both worlds is to fear Allah. 4. A person may commit sins in 3 ways: knowingly, unknowingly, or through negligence. Of these 3 types of sin, the one through negligence is the most grievous. 5. Do not grieve over what you have lost. Instead, be grateful for what you have. 6. He who has realized the sweetness of Iman has indeed tasted the sweetness of life. 7. The one who is constantly seeking Allah's pleasure has truly succeeded. 8. Your Lord is just. He does not burden a soul beyond its capacity. 9. If you want to know your worth, look at who you are in Allah's eyes. 10. This world is like a small stone in the path of a traveler. If he stops, he may polish it, but if he walks over it, he will be saved. 11. The first and greatest wealth is righteousness. 12. There is no happiness except in Allah. 13. This life is but a preparation for the hereafter. 14. A person's true wealth is his good character and righteous children. 15. A learned person is not he who has memorized much, but he who can put knowledge to good use. We hope you found these quotes by Imam Ghazali insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to stay tuned for more content. And if you have any thoughts or reflections on Imam Ghazali's words, we would love to hear from you in the comments below. Until next time, may the peace and blessings of Imam Ghazali be upon you all.